Got a garlic and a mushroom.
Hello everybody! Yunnan is the mushroom kingdom of China. Every year from June to October is literally the carnival for mushroom lovers here. So today I'm arriving at the biggest farmers market in Kunming, the capital of Yunnan, to get some wild mushrooms or fungi. And then I'll show you how local people cook them step by step.
Astacis, green russula, multiple green head, black truffles, termite fungi, they grow around termite nests, lettuce or porcinis in different colors, yellow, red, white, and black. Be really careful with these red porcinis, because raw or uncooked ones will lead to illusions or digestion problem. Gamba mushroom. Gamba means dried beef slices. I think because of the shape is like. This one's super difficult to clean. More termite mushrooms, chanterelle, golden ears.
I can't wait to go home and cook for them. Let's go.
First, take off all the dirt on the cap with a knife. It will make things much easier afterwards when you wash it, and cut off the root. Make sure there's no sand or dirt in the cap, otherwise it would affect the taste. If you see warm holes in the stem, there's no need to be panic. It's very common, and actually it proves that the mushroom is grown in the wilds. There's no pesticides and chemical stuff, no artificial pollutions. Wild fungi are tasty, but washing them is super time consuming and exhausting. Okay, the worst part is done. Now I'm gonna cut them into small. But for those guys, you don't even have to use a knife. Split them into strips, like shredded chicken. Now we'll prepare some green pepper, red pepper, and peppercorns, and tons of garlic. This is very important. Some people like to have it in big chunk, but personally, I like to cut them into thin slices. It's going to be much easier for them to be cooked well, and also decrease the possibility that I get poisoned. This is not for you, Choco. I'm done with the preparation. Now we're going to start with this one. Add some vegetable seed oil in it. Some salt, garlics, red chili. Then we mix it. Water in it. Local people usually put ham when they cook mushrooms, but today I don't have it, so I'm just gonna skip it to have a natural taste. Set an alarm for 15 minutes. Fire on. Now I'm gonna switch to this side.
Got a garlic and a mushroom. When the soup goes bluey like this, take them out. Meanwhile, the termite mushroom is well done. I'm just gonna let it cool down a little bit. For the red porcini, I'm gonna fry it with oil first. Fry it for a couple minutes. Make sure all the water in the mushroom goes away.
I'm sure all the toxicity is gone. Then sprinkle dry chilies and garlics on oil. Pour the mushroom in again and saute a few minutes more. Yunnanese are obsessed with wild fungi, not only because they are organic like I said before, but they also provide a variety of important nutrients that usually can't be found in other vegetables and fruits. They help your digestion, good for your bones and immunity, and detoxify the body.
I've been working on this for the whole day. Finally, it's the time to treat myself. Let me try the turmeric mushroom first, because this is my favorite. It's very tender, very fresh, savory, and it has a nummy and spicy taste. Green rusula, not bad. It's also very tender, but a little bit crunchy like carrot. I think it contains a lot of starch in it. That's why, as you can see, the soup is kind of gluey. Good. Now 见手青. And this is so good. It's a little bit overcooked because it's kind of dry, but crunchy is good. Last but not least, don't forget to get some rice, because it goes perfectly with any kind of mushroom.